Hey guys, welcome back to G Reviews. Today we're back with the Tundra, and today we're going to be doing a little installation of something cosmetic, but something that I think every Tundra SR5 owner should not be without. And of course I'm talking about the seats inside. The seats inside, at least in my opinion, these particular style seats, they tend to get stained very easily. And actually, even when I bought the truck, it came with this big stain here, and I've tried everything to get this stain out. Maybe it's just because I live in Massachusetts, it hasn't gotten warm enough to absorb this liquid yet or something, but one way or another, I think these stains these seats get stained pretty easily. So this time on G Reviews, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that with some awesome seat covers that I got off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, but they are they're very nice looking. I mean, the quality seems very good. Obviously it's not like real leather, but they're custom made for the Tundra, and they even have the little pockets for airbags and everything, and it is a full set. I mean, I'm talking the front seats, the back seat, bottoms of the seats, I mean pretty much everything. So next up on G Reviews, I go ahead and put these in and show you the results. Stay tuned. All right guys, so just wanted to show you a before, right? So again, these are the standard Tundra SR5 seats. And again, it's not that they look bad, they look pretty good. I just don't like the fact that they seem like they're gonna get stained very easily. Again, same thing with the rear seats. And this kit does cover the entire bottom of the back seats, all those. And it also even has little headrest covers too, which is pretty cool. So anyway, I'll go ahead and start the installation and get back with you once it's done. So this is one of the questionable things that that's in the kit, that it comes with it. Not sure I'll actually do it, but it's supposed to go on the center console. I just have a feeling it's gonna look like crap, but let's find out here real quick. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I mean, first of all, it doesn't go all the way. Second of all, I mean, it's just loose. And I mean, probably most importantly, it doesn't shut. So that's a fail on that piece of the kit. But I won't fault the whole kit yet. We'll see how the rest of it looks. I mean, these look pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect for a $200, seat kit. Hopefully over time, these little wrinkles will kind of go away, but so far so good. Other than the center console piece, this thing's terrible. Alright guys, what do you think? That is one seat totally done. I mean, again, if you can see, certainly there's some wrinkles. I got a couple cuts on my hand just from doing it. I know, boo-hoo, Scott, but I mean, overall the fit and finish is very good. They seem very high quality. So that is the first one done. It took me about an hour just to get, I mean, I did the top of that one, the headrest, and then this seat's totally done. But that's it so far. I will continue with the process and show you once I'm finished with both the front seats, and then we'll move on to the rear seat. booth. Here we go. We have the final product here. We've got the front and passenger seat, the driver and passenger seat all done. As you can see, it definitely looks good. Not perfect by any means. Like I said, there are some little things that I don't super duper care for, but I think I will be keeping them. I think they feel very good quality. This part is a little bit loose up here. You know, it's not perfect, but for $200 for the entire set of seat covers is really honestly a good price in my opinion. So here's the rear seat. As you can see, does look good. These guys, the headrests always look a little bit janky, but overall I would say it looks really good. I would say probably 7 out of 10. And here is the view from the other side. Again, this is the final product. It took, I don't even know, it probably took me 2.5, 3 hours to do these seats. It really takes some time if you want it to look halfway good, so you really got to take your time with these things. But anyway, I think overall the EKR seat covers are good quality. Even the backs of them, they have the nice pocket, which again looks good. The top here, you can kind of see a little bit of this, you know, kind of looks a little, I don't know, waffly, I guess, if you want to call it that. I don't know, but overall though, they almost look factory, really. I'm overall very happy with them. I think I'll keep them, like I said, but I will report on anything in the future. If they, you know, go bad or if they rip or anything like that, I'll make another video down the line. But overall, that's Scott with Geoviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.